Are those cookies good?
Cookie Monster.
She's big.
What's up, cuz?
What's up? What are you doing?
I was put my shirt on.
You sure?
Um, Dang! I
What?
just found the candy. Oh,
Wait, what?
the candy bar.
Yeah, he found my snacks.
Candy's on?
Did you know I was recording? Bam.
I sure didn't. I
Brad,
sure. Hey, what is it?
y'all. Brad forgot his shirt. Brad forgot his shirt.
Yeah, it was some stabs.
Anything you want to say?
Just one question.
What are you doing?
Oh, I was just scratching myself.
Okay, just go ahead. What's up?
Oh, I was gonna ask you, can I get some of that?
I don't want to show you guys this, but here's my stash.
This is Zach's official stash.
I have pull out what I got one by one and show the camera.
Okay, we got cookies.
Lemon cookies.
Okay, lemon cookies.
One small box of
Cloverdale. I'm on the Price is Right. The Cloverdale.
Clover Valley.
Oh, my bad.
Animal crackers.
Popcorn.
Don't be racist. Hashtag don't be racist.
Double bubble chewing gum.
Alright. There's a few bags of these. Popcorn. 3, hold on, count. Let's count up. 4, 6. 6 bags of popcorn. Then I have one more box of these. And then another box of these. And then another box in the pantry. So, you can have like whatever you want. Just don't eat it all. That's all I gotta say. That's my rule. Like, if you want some of mine, you can have some, but just don't eat it all. The door's open, by the way. They can probably hear us in making a video. But, who cares? There's the comparison to box. This is the biggest one. So. Huh? Are you welcome? Are you the Cookie Monster?
Yeah.
What'd you get? Brad got lemon cookies, didn't he? Yep. Well, Brad, tell them that you sadly moved out, and I don't, sadly moved out.
Yes, I finally sadly moved out.
And this is probably going to be a rare video for me and him to do.
And this is probably gonna be a rare video for us to do.
I didn't say repeat what I said. Anyway, he'll be visiting from time to time. So maybe when he visits from time to time, we'll do a video. But yep, just telling him what I got a new bed and stuff. My new bed? Yeah, I told him about that stuff. And then I put you on blast. So, are those cookies good?
Cookie Monster.
She's big. They're lemon cookies. They're good. You'll try some. All right. Look at this. Didn't even close the door. Don't close the door for nothing. Told y'all.
Cookie Monster.
She's big.